continuation of last one. In the yesterday video I told you what are the 4 data types available. Int, integer, is the data type which accepts all the numeric variables values, and then float is the value getting all the fractional numbers. Then str, string, will get all the string values. So now if I want to say that side equal to integer, I'm just going to say the input, that is the keyword to get input. Then the instruction you are going to give to the user, enter side of a square. So he will give the side in. So whatever the user will give in this parameter, that will be converted into integer. Suppose he is giving 40, that will be taken to this side, as well as 400, that also will be taken in this side. Okay, so whatever given values will be now taken into this side. So float number if you pass, fraction numbers if you give, that numbers also will be converted into integer and it will be stored in the side. So that side now will be coming over here. Suppose if we press 60, that 60 will be stored inside. That 60 will come here, 60 into 60. So the 3600 will be stored here in area. Afterwards this parameter will be shown here. So here whatever given inside the quotes will be printed as it is. Double quotes, whatever if you give, that will be printed as it is. Here the value, without quotes if you pass anything, that will be taken as a value. So area in this place, value will be printed. Here this thing will be printed as it is. Now look at the program. If you press 5F5, then it will run. So now it's asking a question. Why? We have passed a parameter input, right? That is a keyword. So enter side of a square. If I give 67, whatever you can give, you can give. So that is, now you see here, side into side, 678 into 678 multiplied, answer is this much. So this is the area. So we have given in the program, this should be printed as it is, right? So we have given this one inside the double quotes, that will be printed. This is the value whichever having given here. Now we multiplied here and the value has been shown here. This is what the programming solution. So that what is the problem solving, you have to analyze the problem, and technically you have to first of all say that the transformation of description of a problem into a solution, that problem by using our knowledge. So we are using our techniques as Python as a tool, so that here using our knowledge we are just going to write the problem solving method. So this is the thing, the problem solving is referred to analyze a problem with the intention of deriving a solution. So you should have an intention to finding out the solution. First of all, you should know what are the requirements, and then analyze it, then design it, and then coding, you have to write the coding. Then testing means if there are any mistakes, you have to correct it. For example, in the coding itself, there must be some error. Suppose if I am not going to close this one double bracket, if you are now pressing F5, there will be error. See, this is the error. So invalid syntax. Syntax means grammar, invalid grammar. So what is the thing? Here we have started one bracket, here another one bracket is there. So that this is what testing error. So you have to close this one. So this is what the error rectification. Now it will produce the output very nicely. Otherwise it will throw always error. So you should know the syntax. So syntax is nothing but the grammar. So how to give input like this? So if you want to pass float number or fraction numbers, you have to use float. Okay. So if you see here, I'm just going to say that fraction numbers should be now multiplied. Press F5 in order to run this. I'm just going to say fractional numbers. So this one you see here. So I gave side as a fractional number, and now output also now fractional numbers like this. So 235.90 into 235.90 is the value of like this. So it has been produced minute things accurately, right? So this is what fractional numbers. So if you want to pass anything, like if I want to say that for example shape, Okay, I'm just going to make one parameter, that is a string. Okay, string means